AA.
What is AA? I have heard of AI, which is artificial intelligence. What is AA? Analytics and application. Did you all see the timetable? You all saw the timetable, no? So what is analytics and application in that? Matlab kya hai? What do you think it is? I will tell you what it is, but I want to understand what you think it is.
Ma'am, something to do with documents.
Document?
No.
No, not really. Tanishka,
Fill
what do
some
you think?
forms.
Sorry?
Fill some forms.
Fill some forms. Why? Analytics and application is to do with documents and forms. Oh no. Yeah, Pranav, what is your take on it? तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
No, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Subhan, what do you think?
It is something interesting.
Ma'am, analyzing means to learn and to write.
Analyzing means to learn and to write. That's not the exact meaning of analyzing, but analyzing actually means that कुछ सामान तुम्हारे हाथ में दिया है और तुम उसको चीर फाड़ के देख रहे हो कि ये है क्या इसमें. Analyze the situation, analyze the whole thing. But our class is analytics and application, not analysis. Analytics मतलब
Checking out things.
किसके हाथ में अभी डिक्शनरी है? चलो खोल के देखो. ANALYTICS. जिसके हाथ में डिक्शनरी नहीं है, you all just wait. Those who have the dictionary, just quickly open it and see what is the meaning of analytics.
What is the spelling of analytic?
ANALY. First reach to ANA, then reach ANAL, then reach ANALY. Pranav, do you have a dictionary at home?
No.
No. Oh, no problem. No problem.
Ma'am, my mother was calling.
What?
My mother was calling, so I have called.
Okay, okay. Subhan, do you have a dictionary at home?
Yes.
Okay. From tomorrow,
Ma'am,
okay, I want you all to carry one school bag. इस स्कूल बैग में एक पानी का बॉटल डालो. सुबह में क्लास में आने के पहले put your snack box inside that. Keep your dictionary inside the bag because we could be using the dictionary in any classroom. And also keep your notebooks and your pencil box inside that bag. Okay? So you don't have to get up and go different places when we ask for it. School bag में सब कुछ रहना चाहिए. हाँ रणवीर बोलो. You found the word?
no, ma'am, it is written analysis over here.
I asked you to look for the word analytics. ANALYT.
AN.
Analytically. Analytical.
What all is there in it?
It is written using analyzes or anarchic adjective not controlled or governed by any rules or principles.
अरे बाप रे बहुत लंबा चौड़ा है. What do you understand from it?
Ma'am, just tell me and again that spelling. AN.
ANALYTI.
ANALYTI na ma'am.
हाँ.
TI.
Ma'am, something to do with governance system. Governance system.
दे रहा है. I'm asking you,
Analytic.
dictionary में क्या लिखा है?
Dictionary में not controlled by, governed by any rules or principles.
पुराना वापस गया.
Okay.
प्रणव वापस गया.
That's okay. Okay. I will just explain to you what is this class going to be about. Okay. In simple words, this class is going to be about application of things that we learn in the other subjects. Whichever subject you are learning, how is that subject applied in real life is what we are going to learn in this class. If you're learning English, why is it important to learn English and how is the language applied in real life? If you're learning math, why are we learning those particular topics and how are they applicable for us in real life? You're learning chemistry. How is that applicable in real life knowledge? Biology. We are already seeing how we have these little plants in our house garden and how we can understand those plants. We are already learning that, right? So analytics and application class is going to be about how we apply our learning to things in real life. Is that fine for you to learn? Is it good? Do you feel it's going to be interesting? पता नहीं? पता नहीं? Good. पता नहीं है तो very good. That's a very good place to start from. नहीं पता, वहाँ से start करें. तो मैं आप लोगों को आज कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी. I'm going to ask you all a set of questions. And towards the end of the class, we're going to find out if it was information for you to know how it will be applied in real life. Okay, shall we start? Start करें? Yes, no? अभी snack break है इस class के बाद. So don't go like, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
सीधे बैठो, एकदम सीधे बैठो. एकदम चुस्त होके, सुस्त होके नहीं. थोड़ा सा दिमाग को मसाज करो because I'm going to start asking some questions. You have to know why are we learning. Massage your neck a little bit, पीछे. Massage your neck and shoulders. Come on. It's very good to massage yourself. Massage your neck and shoulders. See, just put pressure with your fingers around your neck and shoulders. Come on, Pranav. Massage your neck and shoulders. Yes, massage it. Put pressure. Come on. थोड़ा गोल घुमाओ shoulders को. Yes. See how it's feeling good. Forward. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your video is freezing sometimes.
What?
Ma'am, your video is freezing sometimes.
It's feeling cold, yeah. What?
No, ma'am.
It's very dangerous.
What?
Weather is very dangerous now.
Weather is very dangerous now. Is it going to snow?
No, it is very cloudy.
It's very cloudy. Okay. See, dangerous are those rides that we saw. Remember those rides that we saw? They are dangerous. Weather is dangerous if it's going to have a cyclone or something like that. Otherwise, it's just
Cloudy.
dark. These are correct adjectives to be used in a sentence. Okay? वातावरण danger वाटते. We will not use the exact translation of it in English. Okay? All right. Okay. So come back. Let's come back to the first question that I have for you in our analytics class. Ready? What unit of measure would we use for a rectangular swimming pool? What unit
Measure.
you use for a rectangular swimming pool? Now, can you tell me what are the units of measure?
Feet.
What are the units of measure? We have learnt in math. What are the units of measure?
Centimeter, millimeter, decameter,
Meter, hectometer, decameter, kilometer.
Okay. So,
every
what's the
meter.
unit of measurement that we will use to measure a rectangular swimming pool?
Feet.
Feet. Okay. What is the other unit that we use?
Inches.
Inches. We can definitely measure it in millimeters, centimeters, inches as well.
Yes, ma'am.
What would be the right unit to measure a rectangular swimming pool?
Ma'am,
And we measure our height with centimeters, no?
You measure what with centimeters?
We measure our height of centimeters, no?
We measure our height in centimeters. We also measure it in feet. Okay. If I have
Ma'am, I am
to,
4 and 9 feet.
can I use centimeters to measure the rectangular swimming pool?
No.
Yes, can I use centimeters? No. Why?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am,
centimeters.
that's a very small unit. That's a very
It's a
small
very
unit.
small unit, correct? Because then you'll end up having thousands of centimeters. Okay, rectangular swimming pool. Okay, swimming pool typically तुमने देखा है कितना बड़ा होता है?
हाँ,
स्विमिंग पूल देखा है कितना बड़ा होता है?
हाँ, मैम.
Subhan, have you seen a swimming pool?
Yes.
Okay, how big is it?
Meters maybe.
Ma'am, it
Very
is
big.
of feet.
It's
Ma'am, it is of feet.
it is of feet.
Meter.
Yes.
What is of feet?
Like 50.
Meters.
Put it in a proper English sentence. It is of feet. This is wrong preposition being used.
No, ma'am.
And
The
we
swimming
use
pool
meters
is
to measure the
counted in
rectangular
feet.
swim.
Ma'am,
Pool is
the
counted in
swimming
feet.
pool is counted. Yes.
Ma'am, the rectangular swimming pool is measured in meters.
Meters. Good. It can be measured in any unit that can measure length. Correct? Can we say rectangular swimming pool can be measured in kilograms?
You know.
Can rectangular swimming pool be measured in liters?
No. Yes. Yes, the
If we are going to
water.
measure the water inside it, then we will use the unit of liters. But if I have to measure the length and breadth of it, will I use liters?
Meter.
What are the units of measurement I can use to measure rectangular swimming pool? Come on.
Decimeter, decameter, kilometer, meter, centimeter, inches,
Hectometer.
etc.
The best
Unit
is
that
meter.
can be used to measure length and breadth can be used to measure a swimming pool. Tanishka, any unit that can be used to measure length, can I use that to measure the swimming pool?
Meters.
My question is yes or no will be the answer. Any unit that can be used to measure length and breadth, can that unit
Yes,
be
ma'am.
used to measure the length and breadth of a rectangular swimming pool?
No.
No? If you have said no, you must say why.
Because millimeters and centimeter decimeter, they are so small. It will be in so time. Because of that, we will use meters, kilometers, and that.
We will prefer to use feet or meters to measure it. But if I'm going to use centimeters, can I still measure the rectangular swimming pool?
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes.
will we take so much time?
Yes, it will take a lot of time, undoubtedly. It will take, मतलब सोचो कि इतना बड़ा सा swimming pool है complex में, and we are going to take our 15 centimeter वाला scale, and then we'll go measuring it. थोड़ा सा measure करते जाएंगे. We will need like hundreds of scale measurement to get there.
Oh no.
It will take
It
too
takes-
long. It will take too many numbers, too many measuring systems. But the better thing to do is use a larger unit. But my question,
Ma'am, today also network problem.
I know, Pranav. Today also you're having network problems. Okay, but we will use unit of length to measure the rectangular swimming pool. Agreed? Pranav, are you agreeing to that? Hey, Pranav. Are we agreeing to that? My question
Yes,
was,
ma'am.
listen to my question. My question was, What unit of measure would be used for a rectangular swimming pool? What will be your answer?
Meter.
Centimeters, millimeters, inches, meters, feet, all of these. Anything that can measure length and breadth, we will use that. Agreed?
Meter and feet.
Okay, my next question is coming.
How will
How will we measure the length and breadth of a book? How will we measure the length and breadth of a book? Question is, how will we measure length and breadth of a book? Come on, nobody knows how to measure length and breadth of a book.
Centimeter. Centimeter.
Centimeters or inches. Agreed? Okay, next question coming up to you. A shopkeeper uses this electronic instrument to calculate. A shopkeeper uses this particular electronic instrument to calculate. What is that electronic instrument?
ma'am, it is the
Weighing machine.
Electronic instrument to calculate. He uses weighing machine to weigh the items.
Calculator.
Calculator. Correct. Correct. Next question. We use this gas to cook food.
Gas. LPG gas.
LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas.
Gas.
अनुष्का क्या हुआ? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है?
Ma'am, no.
See,
I can understand it.
This is why application of learning is very important. हम बुक में क्या सीखते हैं उसको हम रियल लाइफ में कहाँ यूज करते हैं ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है. See?